What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. Today I want to talk about OZSC, the news catalyst that came out yesterday. I want to get into the chart pattern, the technicals, and what I did with my position. But before I do that, man, please click that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything that I find interesting in the stock market, and I'm willing to share that with anybody willing to listen. So that being said, let's just get right into it. So OZSC had some news come out yesterday mid-market, right around 10 o'clock, where you could see right here, had this major pop from 15 all the way up to 20. So a nice 33% move right in the middle of the day. OZSC has been remaining on my radar. I haven't traded it in the last couple days, or I want to say maybe a day. But this news came out yesterday. OZOP Energy, OZSC, executes agreement with Baikal Automall, has announced that its fully owned subsidiary, OZOP Energy Systems, has announced an agreement with Baikal Automall, the largest dealership in the NY metropolitan area, to purchase and resell EV chargers. The initial order was for 4 EV chargers for 2 locations for Baikal, and we have executed a vendor agreement between the 2 companies so they can resell to the LMA, of which Mr. Baikal is president, which is comprised of 300 additional dealerships in New York. So, you know, really positive news in a purchase agreement for them to sell some of their EV charging stations was a great catalyst for this thing. Had a nice pop and then was consolidating near the close. As you can see here in the 10-day, 30-minute chart, it was consolidating in the 16 area before it kind of dropped out. And at that point, you know, it just really wasn't doing what I wanted to, even though it's still looking good. And then when I seen that pop, and then I seen the news, I said, okay, this is definitely a potential for another overnight play. So I bought it in the close, sold it this morning in the push in 2 of my accounts. So I made, you know, a little over 300 in this account and made a little over 200 in the other account. So I made roughly around $540 profit. Again, it's a beautiful way to start the morning. Overnight plays seem to be working for OZSC, and they continue to work for OZSC. So it's something I definitely notice, and it's something I definitely capitalize on. So a great day, a great way to start your morning, you know, always profitable. You know, that's an amazing thing. And as a trader, that's exactly what I look for. You know, I want to see consistency in a pattern within a pattern. So, you know, we're noticing the consistency in OZSC. And so it maintains on my watch because the patterns always maintain. When we're dropping, they have pops. Drop, pop, drop, pop. And then when it's starting to gear up, we have gap ups. Gearing up, gap ups. So, you know, you start noticing these patterns within a pattern, and then you utilize and take advantage of them, man. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So again, starting off my morning beautiful with over $500 profit on OZSC. And they have a great catalyst, and then still connected to Zeem, which is connected to Tesla. And it's looking like we're gearing back up. So we could potentially go back and retest these 27s. So definitely going to remain on my radar. And if it does break that 27, I'm a buyer. If it still shows me that it's still having this grind action to continue to climb towards 27, I definitely might be a buyer again. If it's showing and it breaks over this 21 area, this 21 high, that is also a potential buy signal for me as well. So OZSC, let me know what you guys think of my analysis. Leave a comment. If you made it this far, man, please click that like button. Please subscribe. You Can't Stop Mafia is a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place where you could do that. So OZSC, another great news catalyst, and it can have that potential to gear back up to the highs of the 27 and potentially break it, as long as it maintains in the trend it's in now. So definitely a buy signal for me if it breaks the 21, and definitely a buy signal for me if it breaks the all-time high of the 27. So that's going to be it for today, guys. I'll be sure to keep you updated as much as possible. Till next time, I'm out. Peace.